Hi guys, and welcome to Crafting with Crystal. This is the current tree in my craft room. Let's make a crafty one.
Hi guys, I have here the paper that I've cut for my Christmas tree. These are all squares. This is 7-inch, 6-inch, 5-inch, 4-inch, and 3 inches. Let me show you how to fold one of the pieces. All of these pieces are being folded in an identical way. So I'm going to start with the largest one so you can see properly. All right, you have your paper. You're going to fold this in half diagonally. Fold it in half diagonally again. Now you're going to make this piece fold into here like so. And we're going to fold the other side in the same way. Open, turn your paper over, and you're doing the same thing you did on this side and this side. So start with a fold. So your paper should look like this. We're going to fold in these two corners right up to this joint here where all of your lines are joined. So like this. And this side. Now you're going to take your paper, hold your hands like this, push here down and bring these up like so. All right, fold it like this, raise it up, and then fold it like this. So your paper should look like this. Then you're taking this and folding it in half. You're going to make 8 of these in all the colors. I'm going to show you how to put this one together, then we're going to build our tree. You're taking these one by one, opening it like so, and taking another one and joining it, just like so. Then taking these two pieces and folding it in on your crease line. You're going to hold this, take another one, join it, same way, hold it together, and crease it. And I'm going to continue doing this. For your final join, you're going to take these two, pull everything so it makes a dome shape, and put it inside here. See how perfect that lines up, and then you're going to fold it the same way. You can take this and turn it over. That should look like this. So this is the 7 by 7, 6 by 6, 5 by 5, 4 by 4, and 3 by 3. Before we stack these, I'm going to take a moment and make a star for the top. Then we'll stack it all together and show you what it looks like. To make my star, I cut out die cut stars. We're making a score line through the middle of the star. Fold all in half towards the shiny side like so. And stick them together like this.
so I'm gonna put it up now. So excited! Yay! It's so perfect. It's about 10 inches tall. I absolutely love it. Thanks so much for joining me while we made my origami tree for my craft room this year. You have to make it. Listen, it takes you a little while to fold the paper. I'm not lying because it's so much repetition. But you know what I did? I showed you how to fold one of these. I put on a podcast, popped my earbuds in, and I sat down and I had a great time just folding all this paper. It was not bad. The time just went, I swear. You have to try it. If you like this video, be sure to give it an actual thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends.